Our topic is water pollution, and our experiment will be cleaning up and oil spill.
Good. What you should do first?
We need to pour a little bit of oil.
Yes, do it.
I don't know how much.
Do it. Don't worry. There, we have. Do it. Don't worry. Yes. So what do you see?
The oil spill on the top.
Yeah. Now, what else? What do you CELT can observe?
I don't know.
What?
Well, it didn't get mixed together and it got back. They were separated.
Separated or connected to each other?
They were separated, then connected together.
Good boy. Well done. What you can tell me like that? Yes. With here. Come on. With oil side. Yes. Yes. Gently, please. Gently. Yes. I said gently. So, okay. Next. Cotton ball one. Only one. Only one. Yes. Good. Well done. And now second one, please. Please. Yeah, just put it inside. Yes. Good boy.
Not so.
No.
Still.
Not now. Okay. Accurately, please. So can you touch with your fingers a little bit and describe what happened with it?
Same as the stick.
What? Explain.
Like its surface is oil now.
And?
Now we will use soap detergent to clean the surface of the water.
No, like that. Just, yeah. Do you see?
Now we have to mix it. The water will become cleaner, and this is the end of our experiment.